भारत वो देश है जहाँ पर विभिन्न तरीके की प्रतिभाएं छिपी हुई हैं। हर व्यक्ति अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा कलाकार है और उस कलाकार को नवाजने का काम करता है इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स। और आज हम इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड्स के मुख्यालय में मौजूद हैं। हमारे साथ यहाँ पर तमाम कंटेस्टेंट जो होंगे, जो इंडिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड होल्डर्स हैं या एशिया बुक ऑफ रिकॉर्ड होल्डर्स हैं, उनसे आज हम मिलने वाले हैं और उनसे मुलाकात करके उनकी जो भी बातें हैं वो आप तक पहुँचाएंगे कि आखिर वो टैलेंट बाज जो टैलेंट है उनके अंदर वो कैसे आया। आपको कुछ ऐसे लोग भी मिलेंगे जिन्होंने सालों से कंसिस्टेंसी मेंटेन करके एक बहुत बड़ा रिकॉर्ड भी कायम किया है। चलिए उनसे बात करते हैं और आपकी मुलाकात करवाते हैं।
Welcome, Ane.
Thank you.
What record have you made?
I spoke 65 idioms in 1 minute.
Okay. Do you know what is an idiom?
Yeah, it's it's a sentence that really do not mean what it's saying itself.
Okay, that's wonderful. So, what was the inspiration behind this thing that he can speak 65 idioms in some limited time, right?
I attend conversation classes. In that classes, I learn idioms. So it was being a little easy for me to learn idioms. So I thought to speak idioms in 1 minute.
Okay. When he achieved this record, what was the impact on your friends, your relatives, and his schoolmates?
Actually, after that, everyone is saying, wow, what a record you have made. You are going to IBR. And we are really happy and we are excited too. And we never thought when he can do it, he will achieve.
Of course he can.
But it's really hard work of his. He has done it. It took around 6 months to him.
For the preparation,
and all.
Okay. What challenges did you face?
Actually, major challenges is faced by his mother.
Okay.
It's completely a complete role of her.
Okay, just tell me, what was the challenge did you face?
In the time period of the 6 months, Ane gave up in the March.
Okay.
He started his journey from the October.
Okay.
And in the March, he said that, Mama, I didn't want to do that. I am really tired of this. I can't do it. He has learned almost 80 idioms for this. But it took 2.5 minutes to complete 80 idioms. And for completing the 65 idioms in 1 minute, he took around 1.5 months. After the March, I took, Ane beta, speed up, Ane speed up. You can do it, you can do it. He buckled up his shoes and, no, Mama, I will do that. And in the night, Mama, please listen my idioms. I will do that. Mama, please listen my idioms. Before sleeping, he used to tell me, Mama, please listen my idioms. And at that time, after in the June, he do all the idioms and he filled the form for the IBR.
That's wonderful. What was his journey from the starting to getting the award till getting the award?
As we didn't took it seriously in the starting, and I didn't took it seriously, but from time being, he took Mama IBR, as my friends also has achieved the IBR records for different parts.
Okay.
So ममा मुझे भी कुछ करना है, ममा मुझे भी ये अवार्ड अचीव करना है.
Okay.
तो उसके लिए इसने मतलब बहुत टाइम लिया करने के लिए, बट इजी नहीं था. मार्च में when he tell ममा नहीं, but I want कि Ane can do it and Ane will do it. So after the March, मैंने कहा बेटा only you have a time of June. After that I will not make you to do that.
Okay.
Do the idioms. And in the March, after March, he said, okay Mama. In the April, he said, Mama, हो गया, almost done. बस थोड़े से idioms बचे, I will do that. And in the June, he filled the form with this. Whatever he learned, he filled the form for that. And he made it.
Right.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us. Thank you, Ane.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.